Here's how you're going to find Google Workspace MX records for Gmail setup. So to find them, log into your Google admin console and then go to setup. From here, just click on apps and then go to Google Workspace and then click on Gmail. Now look for the MX records section. You can just find it through clicking on setup and then you will find it right here. You will see the MX section right here. You will see values like smtp.google.com and a few backup servers. Now what you're going to do is to just copy them all. Next is to log into your domain provider like GoDaddy, Namecheap, or Cloudflare, depending on what you use, and then open your DNS settings and paste the MX records there. Now, to save the changes, can give it a few hours to update. Once that's done, all emails sent to your domain will arrive in Gmail through Google Workspace. Now, if MX records used to sound like rocket science, hopefully this made sense. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more.